The world of snails. Snails are mollusks, part of the class Gastropoda, a name that means stomach foot. This is fitting, as their movement relies on a large, muscular foot underneath their bodies. Snails are incredibly diverse, with over 43,000 species that live in environments ranging from forests and deserts to rivers and oceans. There are three main types of snails: land snails, which we see in gardens; freshwater snails, often found in ponds and rivers; sea snails, which inhabit marine environments from coral reefs to the deep ocean. Their most iconic feature is the spiral shell, which protects them from predators, harsh weather, and even dehydration. Anatomy and movement. Let's talk about how snails move and interact with the world. Movement. Snails are famous for their slow pace. They move using their muscular foot, which contracts in waves. They secrete mucus that acts as both a lubricant and adhesive, allowing them to climb walls or even move upside down. This mucus trail also helps them mark their path. Tentacles. Snails have two pairs of tentacles. The upper pair, which holds their eyes for basic vision. The lower pair, which is used for smell and touch, helping them navigate their surroundings. Feeding. Snails have a fascinating tool called the radula, a ribbon-like tongue covered with thousands of tiny teeth. They use it to scrape food, like algae or plant matter, from surfaces. Adaptations and unique features. Snails are marvels of adaptation. Survival mechanisms. Many land snails can retreat into their shells and seal the opening with mucus, creating a protective barrier called an epiphragm. This allows them to survive extreme conditions, such as drought or freezing temperatures. Reproduction. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs. This increases their reproductive success, as any two snails can mate. Longevity. Some snails, like the Roman snail, can live up to 10 years, and in captivity, even longer. Snails in ecosystems. Snails play a vital role in nature. Decomposers. By feeding on decaying plant material and fungi, they help recycle nutrients back into the soil. Food chain. They are an essential food source for many animals, including birds, mammals, reptiles, and insects. Indicators of health. In aquatic ecosystems, the presence or absence of snails can signal the health of the environment, as they are sensitive to pollution. Amazing snail species. Let's take a look at some extraordinary snails. The giant African land snail can grow up to 8 inches long and weigh almost a pound. The cone snail, a marine species, is armed with a venomous harpoon used to catch prey. Its venom is so potent that it's being studied for medical uses, such as painkillers.